Welcome back. In today's tutorial I'll be learning how to cut a trouser, so let's get started. Measure out 10 inches from the waist and 21 inches. Also do same at the middle of the cloth so as to determine a straight line. So this is 2 inches. Now it's time to shape in the trouser. Measure out 2 inches from down. This is 1.5 inches. This is 1 inches and 1.5 again. Now connect all those lines. Connect the lines and shape it accordingly. So this is the secret to a straight trouser, a good trouser, corporate one. This is 12 inches and this is 10 inches. So you connect the line and put that little slant there. Now this one is 17, so you have to divide it into 2. This other side is 14. This one you don't need to put allowance because we'll add all these allowance from the other side, from the back part of the trouser. So we also connect the line. Please be careful when doing this part. If you make mistake, that means the trouser won't be straight. The leg, you can't iron it. If to look somehow, the trouser will not be straight. So if it's your first time, I advise you take your time and watch this video. Let me also write out the measurement again. This is 17 inches, 24 inches, 36 inches, and this is 14 inches. So let it be vivid enough. Now you cut it out. The 2 inches at the other side is for folding, seaming allowance. So now you cut out what you have here, and make sure you cut the shape according to the line you've drawn. Just as you can see me do it. Now cut out your main trouser. So this thing we've just measured is just the front part. Now we are about to cut the back part of the trouser. We use the front to cut the back. This is 3 inches. Connect this. Just trim it down to 2 inches. The bottom should be 2 inches. So cutting the back side is pretty simple. Just simple as long as you get your front right. So this side is pretty simple. Measure 2 inches here, and now here is 2.5 inches. Connect them. Connect your lines, and also do same at the back. That's your hip. Yes, your hip. So now cut it out. So we are going to mark where we put our darts for our back pocket, and the front 2 inches for the front pocket, and for the back pocket it was 5 inches, and for this one is 2 inches and 7 inches for front pocket. So you notch them. So guys, that's how to cut a trouser. Please give this video a thumb up and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks.